Namaste everyone! Welcome to another cooking tutorial from Cupid's Cooking. And today I'm going to show you how to make an Indian dish called chicken chukka. Indian cuisines are well known because of the varieties of spices and herbs that they are using. And I love how those spices bring distinct and unique flavors to every dishes. At first, I really thought that their cooking style is a bit harder. But I was wrong. So if you want to find out more, keep on watching. But before I get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. I'm going to break down our ingredients into two. First for our chicken marinade and second for our masala. And for our chicken marinade, we need 500 grams of chicken boneless thighs cut into 1-inch cube pieces, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and salt. And for our masala, we need 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 onions, 3 to 4 big tomatoes, handful of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala powder, coriander leaves, and salt. Let's start by combining in a bowl the cut chicken, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, ginger garlic paste, and salt. Mix them together until well combined. You can deep fry it right away, or you may pop it in the fridge for 1 hour before frying. In a pot or pan, heat the oil and drop the chicken pieces and fry until golden brown. Do not overcrowd the pan. Once cooked, slide it in a plate lined with kitchen paper. Repeat the process for the rest of the chicken and set aside. To cook our masala, heat the oil and add the mustard seeds until it popped. This will bring a nutty flavor to our dish. Add the cumin seeds until slightly brown. This will just take a few seconds. Add the onions, curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, and salt. Stir until well combined. Cook the onions until lightly browned before adding the turmeric powder, and you have to cook it until it smells aromatic. Add the chili powder and coriander powder. Stir for a few minutes. Add the chopped tomatoes, stir, and turn your heat to low before covering for 5 minutes. Add a 1/4 cup of water in case your masala is dry. Cover it again and cook the tomatoes until mushy. Sprinkle the garam masala powder, stir and cover for another 5 minutes. Add the cooked chicken and coriander leaves. Stir and cover for 15 to 20 minutes or until the oil starts to bubble up on top of your masala. You have to stir this occasionally, or you may also add extra water in case it's too dry. By the way, I have learned that you can only say that it is a good masala or your masala is good once a thin layer of oil is surfacing on top of your sauce or the oil is being released from the sauce. And this is something that you should keep in mind. So there you have it. Our chicken chukka is ready. You may serve this with your favorite bread or rice. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.